build for Thomas. Isn't that awesome?
Let's open
We need to build Thomas.
What? I want to build Thomas. I want to build Thomas.
Couldn't someone get us a giant toy box?
Let's open this. Let's open this. I can't do it. I have this from the seven. Let's open that.
This one might...
We're just scooting it all over so you can open your new other presents. So these are out of the way so I can video camera everything.
I want these ones.
You can scoot them over there. Oh, hey, there's more than one of these inductive cars.
I'm not sure who this is for. It's one of us.
Good.